Hey there, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all had a great spring break. Today is Monday, April 20th, and so we're going to get started with this new e-learning week with a lot going on. So I'm going to do some updates first, and then we'll get to what we're going to do in class this week. So first update is obviously we had spring break, not last week, but the week before. Hope that went well for y'all. Again, obviously not going much of anywhere, but hope y'all have stayed safe and stayed home. Last week was the wave week, and so now we're back to e-learning. And so a couple of updates as we've been gone for 2.5 weeks, basically, because I haven't seen or heard much from many of you in that time. So update from the superintendent went out Friday. Understand that this is about grades and your report cards. And this is what is being sent out to your parents as well. It says, thank you for your assistance with our instructional change to e-learning during the COVID pandemic. We appreciate your support and want to provide you with additional information that we have now concerning grades and report cards. The South Carolina Department of Education has mandated that schools districts do not issue separate grades for the third and fourth quarters. There will be only one final grade per subject. Assignments for the high school seniors are due by May 15th. And seniors who have not completed their work by May 18th will receive zeros for missing assignments. Again, I don't have any seniors, but if you do have siblings that are seniors, that's for them. Assignments for all their students are due by May 22nd. These students who have not completed work by May 22nd will receive zeros for missing work. Final exams will not be given in high school credit courses. Final report card for all grade levels will be issued on May 29th. Report cards for kindergartners are mailed. And then grades can be viewed in PowerSchool, of course. So again, if you do not know your PowerSchool logins, please contact your guidance counselor and they'll get that to you. Or also greta.mcavoy@kcsdschools.net. That's our district level PowerSchool person. And that email does have to come from your school email, not your personal email. Okay. Some other things just to know as we get ready. So again, grades, obviously it is going to be one semester long grade. They're still working on the PowerSchool side of that. And so you might see your grades change from that, but pay attention to the fluctuations that happen there. As we continue forward, again, this is an e-learning week this week. Next week is a wave week. I would pay attention to the governor's press conference that will happen today. I have not heard a time at the time of me recording this, but I would assume probably like 4:30 has been his general time that he's been doing his press conferences. So again, pay attention to that conference because there might be something that comes out in it. There's kind of been rumors through social media this weekend. But again, pay attention to official sources when it comes to official announcements about school. So again, as of right now, as me recording this on Sunday night for Monday, we are still at this point set to come back May 1st. But again, pay attention to any updates from the governor's office on that. So another update that will affect all classes for me going forward is instead of using Zoom for our meets and having a set hour, during the office hours of 11 to 2, if you will just email me saying that, hey, can you get on Google Meet with me? There is a link now in your Google Classroom that you can log into Google Meet with, and we can do that chat that way. So I hope that'll simplify the process of trying to get the help that you need. And again, the office hours are 11 to 2. I'm not setting up the hour for like foundations, the hour for Algebra 2. Anytime between 11 and 2, if you need me, just email. And I will respond back, hey, let's go, and I will open up the appropriate Google Meet. And again, the link is in your Google Classroom at the top of your stream, right below where it says your class, so either Foundations or Honors Algebra 2. And then you'll see the class code of, when you like first could sign up for the class. And then right below that is the Google Meet link. You'll just click on that, open the Google Meet, and I'll accept your invite into the meeting. Okay, so that's the update for that. All right, so Honors Algebra 2, here's the plan for the week. Today you are going to review and take the mid-chapter quiz on sections 5.1 to 5.3. The review is not mandatory. I would obviously recommend that you do those problems and make sure you know what you're doing. If you have any questions, again, feel free to hit up the Google Meet and send me that email if you need to get into that meeting. And then the quiz is on quiziz.com, and that link is in Google Classroom. And so again, the review is not required. It is just a recommended review, since we've been 2 weeks now since we haven't done anything with spring break and the wave week. But again, you do not need to submit that review, but the quiz on quizzes is what will be the grade for today. Again, please get that done and submitted. The next thing will be Tuesday. We're going to look at sections 5.4 and 5.5 on graphing square root and cube root functions. Should be a quick little section that we'll do with those two combined together, and I'll cut to the chase on those and kind of limit the problems that I'll give from both sections. Wednesday will be 5.6, which is the last section of this chapter on solving radical equations. You will have a quiz on Thursday on those three sections, 5.4, 5.5, and 5.6, along with a review of the full chapter. Again, that review assignment will not be due, but it'll just be practice problems for you to be ready for the chapter test, which will be on Friday. So that is the e-learning for this week. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, you can email, you can use the Google Meet from 11 to 2. Just again, remember to email me first, because those are not open links that I have open for the full 3 hours. Again, if you email me first, then I'll open it up, be like, hey, come on in and join, because how that Google Meet is set up, I have to be in first to allow you to get in. Okay, so again, if that's everything, the word of the day is me, for all my Monty Python fans. Again, the word of the day is me, and y'all have a great day.